Can you see me, mate? Can you guys see this shit? Wait, let me... Okay. You should be able to see it now, am I right? Okay, there we go. That should be good. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so let's see, where was I? So, let's see if everything is still playing as it was the last time I used it. So, okay, working fine, I guess. Okay, fair enough. I guess this is still functional. So, yeah, right now I think I'm going to create like a hub world instead of creating like all of those menus and just use mouse buttons to do stuff. I'm going to create like a world with like a lot of doors, so that you just go into the door and the door has like the levels, so the door might have like the credits or something. So let's see how that goes. I actually haven't worked on this for a while, so let me just see how I did this. Right, so I just need to have the canvas and the event system, and the camera should be within my player for now because I was lazy. Yeah, the camera is the child of the character. Right, so new scene, delete this camera. Alright, so I'm going to need a canvas, and I'm going to need the event system. Okay, so let's put some ground here. Let me just create an empty grounds, and let's just make a bunch of them. Alright, so okay. Alright, so how am I going to do this? You guys have any suggestions on the layout or not really? Hey Blue Moon Gaming, I can see you there. Righty then, so let me see if the way I go to this will allow me to add doors without any headaches. So let's try and add the first one. And let's say that this door will go to level 1. Alright, let's just create another door. Let's just reset the position. Okay, create another door there, another door there, just to see if this works, and then I'll make it pretty. Right, so this one goes to level 1, this one goes to level 2. Move that a little bit. Right, this one goes to level 3. Okay, let's make this one go to level 4. And then the last one will go to Balloon Heaven. There we go, that will be the one. So okie. Yes, Blue Moon Gaming, this is the Unity engine. I kind of wish there was like a pop-up that would allow me to see the chat, but first time doing this, so not really easy to see. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just add the spawner there just to see if this is working so far. Let's also create one for the doors. Alright. Okay then, let's just put the spawn point somewhere like here, and let's test this out. Okay, I'm going to need to rework the door script, but yeah, sure enough, this is level 1. Okay. See if this... Okay, I'll have to work on that. This one goes to level 3. I think. Oh yeah, it's level 3 indeed. And this last one goes to... Oh yeah, I haven't added that level, so build settings. Yeah, I need to add the current one as well. Let's see. Hub, let's just call it hub. Open scene, balloon. Settings at current as well. Now let's go back to our hub and see if it works this time. There's no reason why it shouldn't work, but... And there we go. So far so good, so now I'm going to need to... Alright, so... I was thinking here, do you guys think I should just rewrite my... my door script, or should I maybe just create another script for these particular doors? Let me show you the door script. So let's see. Just need to add a just loading up Visual Studio. And Gabriel, at the moment I think that what I will do with this game is like it'll be in separated levels, but the way you go through the levels and the options and everything, it will also be here. Actually, for the options, I might actually have like a balloon that you need to pop in order to make things happen. Like if you want to remove the audio, you need to pop the balloon to make the audio go away or something like that. But that will be in the future. As you can probably tell, the... Oh, okay. So, let me just bring up the Visual Studio here into view so you can have a look. But, yeah. Ah, shit. Give me a sec. So, this. Hello? Estás a ver? Ok. Ok. Ciao. Due to some technical difficulties, I will be absent for 2 minutes. I will be right back. What do you mean, Blue Moon Gaming? How long the stream will take, or the game itself? You are gay, and you have a boyfriend. Hello, Bibs. Alrighty then, so where was I? Okay, so I was trying to see if I can get you to actually see the actual coding, but Visual Studio is a gay and closed on itself, so I'll need to open it again. Oh wow, really? It would appear that my license for the Visual Studio has expired, so I will probably either need to sign in to something here or just go back to MonoDevelop. And right now that I learned how to use the debug features. Hi Ed, how are ya, mate? Alrighty then. And the Visual Studio is now thanking me for my patience. Great. Great. What will I do with my life? I'm good, mate. How are you, mate? God damn it. Now it's frozen. Oh, fuck it. I'll just go back to MonoDevelop. God damn you, Microsoft. Right after Apple, you're my second most hated thing. In terms of stuff. Maybe not really. There are really shitty companies out there, but still. Alrighty then. How do we change this again? Let's see. There we go. MonoDevelop. There we go. Right, that should work. Let's see if now I can open MonoDevelop instead of Greedy Studio 2010. Hey MonoDevelop, can you like get out of the way, please? You're like covering the whole thing. Let's add another window capture. Oh, god damn it. True enough, Blue Moon Gaming, true enough. I'll just call you Blue. And task manager time it is. And MonoDevelop is still opening. The problem is, MonoDevelop has some sort of window message popping up. However, the MonoDevelop watermark is also in front of it, so I can see it and I don't know what I'm clicking on. So I'll just close it and okay, I think we're back on track. Let's see. Okay, now you should be able to see the mono develop page, right? Yes, you can. Okay, I should probably let me then zoom this in a little bit so that it will be easier to read. So as you can see, the actual code for the camera is pretty much not what does this. So here I am again. So it would mean that I did the whole thing on my character controller. Righty then. So let's look for where the doors are. So one trigger, let's see, if other tag equal door and how many are text enabled. Stay on trigger. Right. It'll probably just... I'll probably be better if I just create a new tag for doors that don't have anything to do with this. You see, folks, this is what you get for making games without planning, because then you need to implement new features, but you discover that all of the code that you've done needs to be reworked for pretty much everything that you've done. So I guess I'll just create a new tag, but then there's the issue of the balloons, because there will always be the remaining balloons, which is 0 and has a score, and it obviously doesn't need to, shouldn't be here. I could also create a boolean about if I'm in the hub world or not, but that will also be a bit messy. So what to do? I guess I should just accept the fact that they will have to do another script and separate things, huh? How many people are watching this anyway? Few active users. Okay. Let me think here. I can do it like this, I suppose. So or text dot equals it's our script dot, let's do it like this. This should work for now. Okay, so Jesus Christ. Door text. I don't think that should cause any issues, right? And then here, let's add a public string door text. Alright, so build all. No errors. Very good. Very good indeed. Let's stop this and let's see here on the prefabs, the door. Let's just see. Congratulations. Press F to continue. Right. Now back on Unity, so let me move this up. Okay, I should be able to see it. Right, so that effectively, I believe, changed everything that doesn't... Oh, yeah, right, I need to save this. Why have you not updated? Oh, because you have been instantiated. Is it working now? Okay, what? So let's just rename this door warning. See if that makes a difference. Rebuild all. So we appear to have two errors here. Oh, right. So not colliding with the door. So this shouldn't be here either. Okay. 10 minutes. So I am colliding with other... Oh, never mind. I can actually probably still do this. So came over to door either... Ah, okay. There we go. This should fix it. Okay. So rebuild all. And now we pray for Jesus. Ah, there we are. Perfect. So it appears to be working. So let's try this again. Oh shit. That will explain it. Okay. So yes, it worked. Perfect. So let's see. This one will be level 1. level 1. This one here will be level 2. Damn it. Level 2. Now this one here will be level 3. This one here will be level 4. And this one here will be welcome to paradise. Right. That should be enough to test for now. Let me just read the chat real quick. What did I do to hurt your ears? Hey, Sky Devil Paul. Alrighty then, let's test this out. Level 1, okay. Level 2, level 3, level 4. Yay! I'm making progress, finally. Alright, so I'll just need to make this text disappear after I come out of it. Right, okay. Wee. Wee. Good, good, good. So this is working fine. Let's just quickly tweak the script so that the text disappears as soon as you get out of the door. Right, on trigger exit. Third text.enabled equal false. Let's just remove this if condition, and then that should make everything. Now build, rebuild all. Let's go back into Unity and test it one more time. Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! It's working, man! Oh my god, my god! Right, so working. Alrighty then, there we go. Now, instead of me reworking the whole thing, because obviously this level will not have balloons, so this remaining underscore will be pointless. I already have it so that the combo counter will only appear when it is higher than 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it goes away, and then that moves to clear. However, I need to make it so that it does not show up here at all, because it doesn't make sense, right? Yes, Sky Devil Paul, I'm going to make it so that instead of having like a menu, I want to make it like some kind of hub world where at first this is just testing, but I'll probably do like one door will be for the levels, another door will be for the options, other door will be for credits or something, other door for bonuses, and I'll probably make somewhat of a tricky to navigate level with a few secrets here and there. But yeah, that is what I plan on doing. One, because I'm lazy about making menus, and two, because I want to make something a bit different. So yeah. Righty then. Let me just check something on my character here. I believe, okay, I only have one collider. Okay. So let me see how I can rework the script without affecting the gameplay at all. Let's see. I really didn't want to create a variable to check if I'm on the hub world or not, because that would be pointless. So I guess I'll find a condition that if the original amount of balloons is equal to 0, then it will never show up. Let me just see how I have this. Remaining multiplier, and how many. Fine, okay. Alright, sorry. Okay, now you can see what I'm looking at. Alright, Well, so let's see. Alright, so objects equal balloon. How many? And I guess I can place an if statement here, which is let me see what calls update GUI. So on trigger state, collider other if if equal less than 0, update GUI. Okay, that shouldn't be a problem. That is when you enter a door, it will update the text, so that shouldn't affect us. And on start. Okay, so this is only called when I cheated for some reason, but okay, I guess that works. Sorry about that. It's just that my dog had his balls cut off, so I need to pay attention that he doesn't lick his pee-pee, because if he does that, that can be bad, and he might have a dangly pee-pee parts. Right, so if objects equals to 0, don't do that at home, kids. You never place a what kind of formatting is this? Never place the semicolon after an if. I actually did it once at school, and surprise, surprise, the code didn't work. Right, so if objects equals 0, then wonder if I'll have to place a variable. Right, so remaining text dot enabled equals false. Score text dot enabled equals false as well. Let's rebuild all. Don't lick your nets. And we have an error, because why wouldn't we? If objects equals 0. Excuse me? Oh, no. Never mind. There we go. Happiness for everyone. Now let's see if this works. And there it is. Nope. No text at all. Will it work? Yeah, it did work. Alright, so far so good. So, at the moment, I have a fairly decent amount of stuff and things. Right, so I believe I have everything more or less ready to actually get this working. So, I guess now I need to start building the levels, which will be the most interesting part. Okay, so let us then start working on the hub world. So what I'll want to do is I'll want to make a sort of a space where let's create one here for walls. And in case you wanted to know, this the walls and grounds, those are just 8 by 8 pixel blocks that I created as placeholders, and these are just 1 block each. As you can see, this is just 1 block of grass, so yeah. Okay, so one of you is not centered. Wait. Why? Why aren't you centered? What have I done to you? Let's just redo this. Okay. Yep, grounds. Oh, never mind. That is the position of the this thing, and so. Oh man. Okay, I'll just. You know what? I'll just do this again. Just delete these grounds. Delete these walls. Now, the walls will be 0, 0 to avoid confusion. The grounds will be the same. The doors will be the same. And yeah, sure enough. Yeah, I'll just rework everything. Okay, spawn point should be at 0. Righty then. So let us then do this the right way. So ground. Let's put the ground on the grounds. Now we can move the spawn point a little bit here. Let us make a few of these. And let's start placing them around. Again, this would be much easier if I had pre-planned this earlier. So if anyone has any suggestions, feel free to give them here. But if not, that's okay. I'll just try to figure out something that might be cute to look at. No, that's a few grounds on the ground. Let's just put a few walls on the walls. We'll move this up a little bit. Actually, yeah, I'll just put this point more over here. Walls. Here. And actually that should be enough for now. So right then, let's see, let me just copy this whole thing. Okay, let's copy it again. Let's make a lower level. Why not? Copy these two walls. Yeah, I figured there's one block missing. So what I'll do is I'm just going to take one of these, copy it, paste it there. Okay, so this is probably going to end up really shitty, but as long as it works, I can always expand upon it later. Either way, these tiles look like poo-poo. So, yeah. Now, what I could do, however, is I could have some sort of a secret here. I could disable the colliders for these 3 blocks. Let's see. Let's disable them. And let's see if I can actually jump through them. Of course I can, because why shouldn't I disable the colliders? And that way I can actually create a secret passages. So this is getting more interesting now. Let me just disable this. Let me just test one thing. So this block of ice will be at